Okay guys, another project here. These lights for your tag right here. See how bad that looks on the inside of that one. That one works. This one does not work. See how, I don't know what's inside that, but looks pretty rough. So, actually don't look too bad on the outside, but lens is shot, I think. That's the big thing, the lens. The glass right here is shot, so I'm going to take this one out and replace it with number P937. Cost about $9 or $10 on eBay for this. Okay, this is the new one. See, they got a clear lens on that, and this paper, and goes like that. And what you have to do is reach underneath there, and that part doesn't move. This part right here will move a little bit. Is when you reach underneath there, you got to pull on this right here to unclip it. And so, looking at it right here, how bad that lens looks on the inside there, whatever that is. That looks good right there. And it's the same, looks identical. And your bulb goes in here. So you got to reach underneath here, and when you reach underneath there, you're feeling for this clip right here, and you press that in and pull this. And when you pull that and press on this pin right here, or clip, plastic clip, that should pop loose. And you take this out. When you take this out, you got your bulb and your wires coming from your bulb socket, and you just put it in here and twist it, and then take this and put it over the hole and just push it in, and it snaps in. Pretty simple. So we're going to end up doing that to replace that. Okay guys, it's a pretty simple project. Okay guys, I'm reaching underneath here, pulling on this piece right here, pushing on this piece right here, and I'm pulling on this piece really hard, and put it really hard and pull up on it, and pop loose right here. So it had the same piece right there that you got to try to press on that. Now you don't see the wires because I took those loose. Here's the wires right here. So I gotta get the bulb for that. Well, get it in focus. Get the bulb for that. And this piece right here would just pop in. Just push it in from the top. So that'll be easy. Okay, of course this is the new one. This is the old one. Two new bulbs right here. Focus. This is the blowed one. Now all we have to do is push this one in and clip it. So we took it out. We'll grab the socket. Okay, so we put the bulb in here and brought the socket out here. And now all we have to do is take this, the back end of this right here, just put it on there and twist it. Okay, and now we take it, this end right here has to go in first, right here. Once that end is in, then this front end will collapse some. Okay, that collapses, and that's your new light. So we do the same thing for this one. Now, it really doesn't matter if you break this or not. I pulled it real hard, well, pretty hard, and it popped loose. So I pulled it toward me real hard, and it popped loose, and then I just pushed it forward. And so this is the other one. The lens looks fairly rough on it. So we just unscrew that right there, turn it to the right or left. Okay, just unscrewed that. That bulb looks about, look at that one, looks about gone, don't it? Okay, here's our new one. Look how clear that glass is right there. Okay, this hard edge right here, this doesn't move. This one does. This one collapses some. So I put the hard edge in first against this part here. You get that in there, then you just push real firm. Okay, when you push backward a little bit and push hard. Now we've got brand new tag lights, clear lens, new bulbs. Okay, looks good. And at a distance there, very shiny. So that's a simple fix there. This one worked. The bulb worked in that one, but I mean, it was obvious you needed to replace these. And you see how these look? Yeah, they just need replacing. So that's good. Another project done. Gary J. Lights here. And broad daylight, so I think that'll work pretty good. Okay guys, so now we have two new covers here, and we have the Silver Star. It's kind of a brighter bulb here inside here. These two new covers run about I think about $11. That includes shipping and handling. That's pretty cheap. The bulbs right here run about $12 for tax. You may be able to find them cheaper, but that's not too bad. So we've got that done. Hey guys, in a lower light situation like now, it's nighttime, you can see that these Sylvania bright bulbs are a lot brighter. And they light up the tag real well. So that looks good.